In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the flagging feature in the watchlist on TradingView step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Open TradingView and look at the watchlist on the right side of your screen where all your symbols are listed. This is where you track stocks, forex pairs, or crypto assets. Now hover your mouse over any symbol in the watch list and you'll notice a small flag icon appear next to it. Click on that flag and you'll be able to assign a color to that symbol. Choose any color that makes sense for your workflow, like red for high priority, green for active trades, or another color for setups you want to watch. This helps you quickly identify important symbols at a glance. Once flagged, those symbols will stand out in your watch list, making it easier to stay organized and focus only on what matters without scrolling through everything. You can always change or remove the flags anytime by clicking the icon again, so feel free to adjust as your strategy changes. That's it. Now you know how to use the flagging feature in TradingView Watchlist. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.